Hi, everyone. Welcome to the D365 CE Microsoft Teams integration. For the agenda, we're going to have an overview of the integration, talk about some high-level features, and then go into a live demo. So about this integration, D365 CE and Microsoft Teams integration basically enables users to easily work with customer information in CE and share files directly from Microsoft Teams. So what this entails is the Collaboration Hub and file integration. So the Collaboration Hub is what you can use to access a shared workspace for Office applications that most of us already use to work on sales opportunities and even cases, which you'll see. The file integration piece allows co-authoring of documents using Microsoft 365 and automatically syncing with D365 CE. The files are uploaded to a channel and then they're available within the record that is pinned to that channel. So files that are saved to SharePoint are accessible in both Microsoft Teams as well as within D365 CE. You will be able to access CE records by adding a D365 tab into the Microsoft Teams channel. You'll be able to collaborate at a larger scale, not only on a single app record, like a sales opportunity, but across multiple records. You can use the Microsoft Teams integration to seamlessly collaborate on documents between CE and Microsoft Teams. And you can collaborate on a set of records, such as active opportunities, using the Microsoft Teams conversation, and even easily access records on the go using the D365 bot for Microsoft Teams mobile app. So there are two features that you can enable. Either it's the basic integration with Microsoft Teams or the enhanced integration with Microsoft Teams. Basic is going to require system admin permissions to enable. When users kind of select that collaborate option within a CE record, the connection setup process between the CE record and Microsoft Teams collaboration channel happens in Microsoft Teams, and users can manually pin a CE record or view from Microsoft Teams. With the enhanced capabilities, that's going to require a Microsoft 365 tenant admin to enable this feature. When users select that collaborate option on a CE record or view page, they're going to be guided through with a setup wizard that will help with the connection setup process between the CE record or view page and Microsoft Teams collaboration. And users can actually manually pin a CE record or view from Microsoft Teams and add in recommended members if the user is the team channel owner. Now, all security will be inherited from D365 CE, same as with Teams. So if you don't usually have access to a record, you will not have access to view it in Teams. Same security applies. So this is kind of an overview of the basic functionality. So from a Teams channel, you can see my general channel in there. Users will be able to connect a CE record. So I have my AdventureWorks account record, or even a view to be able to collaborate. So you can pin things like account records, opportunities, cases. It's very simple. You just go ahead and click the little plus icon within Microsoft Teams, and then you would select the record that you would like to pin to the channel. You can even chat with other team members on the side. So you can see that you can open up the conversation tab on the account record within Teams and chat with other team members about this specific record. If you wanted to navigate to that record, you can just simply click the little arrow icon and it's going to take you directly to that record within CE. If we navigate to the Files tab within Microsoft Teams, you're going to see any files that have been added, and these will also be available within D365 CE as well when they are linked to a record. Next, on a CE record or view page, like we said, when you select the Collaborate button, it's going to display a list of all the connected Teams channels. So then you can just select a Teams channel from this list, and that's how you can pin the record within Teams. If you select the My Dashboard tab, this is where you can actually get a view of your dashboard within Microsoft Teams. And then the bot feature allows you to kind of search across app records in the environment. So from the chat tab of the D365 app in Teams, users will be able to search and kind of show records within the Teams interface. So for example, this could be a query to show my active cases or to just search across Dynamics records using a keyword. So they will show by entity type, and you can go ahead and click to review those. Now let's go ahead and navigate into our demo environment for a live demo of the enhanced features of Microsoft Teams integration with D365 CE. Moving into our demo environment, we'll navigate. This is our D365 CE environment, as well as our Microsoft Teams area. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and select the customer service team and navigate to the Drinks Inc. delivery channel. So you can see that we have added a new tab for the delivery issue. And this will be a D365 record that is available and that we pinned within Teams. So you can see you have the ability not only to pin records such as opportunities or leads in the sales area, but this will also apply to the customer service area as well, because you can pin cases that you would like to keep an eye on. You can go ahead and click on the messages icon to chat with other team members about this case. You can update information on the D365 CE record directly within Teams. Moving on to look at what a view would look like within Microsoft Teams, we'll navigate to our sales desk team, our general channel, and our open opportunities view. So just like you can pin records from CE into Microsoft Teams and collaborate and discuss those, you can do the same thing with views. So as you can see, I have my open opportunities view. I can go ahead and click to open these and navigate to the records if I wanted to, all within Microsoft Teams. And I still have the ability to be able to chat about this view if I wanted to notify other team members to check out this new view that I created. And if I click the little globe icon, I can navigate directly into D365 CE and view this within that application. Few other functionality or features of the enhanced integration. Navigate down to the My Work team, General channel, and in Posts, you can see I have a My Active Contacts view that I tagged within the chat. We can even add things like Power BI reports within the Microsoft Teams chat, as well as tasks that could be assigned out. Navigating down to our Wayfair team. And moving into the Files area. You can see I have uploaded an image to this Wayfair team. I navigate over to my record that is linked. We can also see that the files will be available within CE as well. So navigating over to Files. You can see that that same image is available within CE as well as within Teams. So now we're going to go ahead and actually navigate to D365 CE and see what the integration looks like from that application. So as soon as I clicked on the Go to Website button, it is going to pop me right into D365 CE on the record that I requested to navigate to. And if I navigate over to my Files tab, you can see that same image in view, just like you would in the Microsoft Teams area. So now we're going to go ahead and show what the Collaborate functionality looks like and how you can actually add records to Microsoft Teams. Let's go ahead and open up my ADATM Corporation. From here, I'm going to select my Collaborate button. More options, Collaborate. And this will be the wizard that guides me through pinning this account record into a Teams channel. So I'll click Get Started. I will go ahead and select the team I would like to add this to. Let's do the sales team. And click Next. Now I can go ahead and select the channel or even create a new channel if I wanted to, but I'm going to add it to the general channel and select Next. And if I wanted to add other team members to this sales team at this time, I can do so, but I'm going to go ahead and just keep it the same. So we'll click Finish. And now it's going to set up the connection between my ADATM Corporation account record and have it be available within Teams. So navigating back over to my Teams chat, I find my sales team and go to General. You can see that I now have a tab for ADATM Corporation. And the record looks exactly like it would within D365 CE. Last but not least, we're just going to go ahead and show how quick and easy it is to enable the integration between Microsoft Teams and D365 CE. So if you click on the settings icon and go to advanced settings, go to personalization settings. Okay, skip this advanced settings. Now keep in mind, you will need system admin access to enable the basic functionality and tenant admin access for the enhanced integration functionality. So from your advanced settings, we're going to go into administration and system settings. And from here, you can go ahead and just click yes to enable the integration. That's going to be all for our D365 CE and Microsoft Teams integration video. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.